Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to enable voice mode on Claude. So to start, open Claude and sign in to your account. Next, tap your profile icon or account menu in the bottom left corner. Go to settings. Make sure you click general and under general scroll down until you see voice. So if there's a toggle for it, turn it on. Then you can choose the style. You can click this R right here. You can then choose or configure the available voice options. To hear it, you can hover over to the sound wave icon next to it,
In voice mode, we'll just talk it out.
just like so, and select the one you prefer. And that's it. You can change the language and the speed, so it's best to choose normal. Now, another option is to open any conversation or to start a new chat. Then look for the voice or waveform icon near the message box. So it's right here. Tap the icon to start voice mode.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
If prompted, allow Claude to access your microphone and then start speaking and Claude will respond using voice,
Hey Mo, good to hear from you. What's on your mind today?
just like so. And that's it. So that's how you can enable voice mode on Claude. Thank you for watching.